Hey everyone, it's AI-chan. Today we're checking out these official China licensed JOJO's stand user acrylic standees. Let's see which duo you like the most. First up, Jotaro Kujo and Star Platinum, the OG star of the show. Yeah. Get ready for an aura rush. Second, Okuyasu Nijimura and the Hand. This guy's loyalty is as strong as his stand's power. Just don't let him near any walls. Third, Josuke Higashikata and Crazy Diamond, the pompadour hero who can fix anything, except people's opinions on his hair. Fourth, Koichi Hirose and Echoes, our reliable guy and his stand that's got more forms than a Pokemon. Act 3 Freeze. Fifth, Yoshikage Kira and Killer Queen. All he wants is a quiet life, and to blow stuff up. That first bomb is already primed. And finally, Rowan Kishib and Heaven's Door, the manga artist who'll write your life story whether you like it or not. But I refuse.